Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show unboxing and setup of this printer. So let's start. Firstly, we have to open this sticker. I have bought it from Amazon. You can also buy it from Amazon. I have given the link in the description. Check it now. And let me just open. Beautifully packed by Amazon. And we are opening this. And here slip is given by Amazon. And let me unbox it very fastly, because this video is going to be very long. That's why I have to do fast everything. Here you can see a logo of a printer is given by Canon Pixma MG2577s, and it is looking very beautiful from outside. Let's look what is inside. And here is some paperwork given by Canon, and here some cables are given by Canon and some cartridges. And let's see the printer firstly, and here gonna printer, and after it we can just start its setup. Secondly, I gonna show how you can fix its cartridge in the printer. Firstly, look the design, and here you can use a paper. And let me firstly open this printer on downward side, and it can be opened easily. And you have to firstly put out the black cartridge of 745s. You have to use it only, and you can press it upward side so it can produce a sound of tuck. You will understand it is fixed. Now we can fix the color cartridge in same way. You have to put it down upward side. It will create the sound of tuck, and you have to just close it. Now Canon has given us a USB cable which can be easily fixed, and back side of the printer we can find a hole where we are seeing the USB sign, and it can be easily fixed. We can easily fix it. And after it and a power cable is also given by Canon, and at the back side of a printer you will fix it like this. And after it connect to the power source, and on the light, on the switch, and we can just, and you have to just press the power button, and light will be start blinking. And after all this setup, we can start a printing. And let's see, here a paper size is given which can you fix by it, and you have to just put out of one paper in it. And see, just a photocopy machine is given here, and you have to just click on color, and after some time a printing will be start. And I am just firstly photocopying the notebook back side, and just see I have done the color printer firstly to show you how the printer quality is good. And I think photocopy is very good, I think, so that you can see. And exactly same is given by a printer. You can see exactly same, and it is very. With this printer you will get a CD drive in it, and it will be covered with a plastic cover. And here some or more paperwork are given, and we have to just insert a CD in our laptop or CPU. To insert a drive, we can easily put out the CD in the CD drive, and after it we have to just install the driver in our computer. After inserting, let's go to our desktop disk, and you will find a DVD of Canon. You have to just open and click on next, and you have to select Asia, and you will next for India. And then if you want to install this driver, and just click on it and put on next again. And license agreement, you have to click on yes, and after again yes in step 2. And after it will be take 12 to 13 minutes to install. Wait for 12 or 13 minutes, you can easily install the driver. And after it, step 3 will be initiated automatically. You have to do nothing. And just after step 3 is being completed, you have to click on next. And last step, you have to just agree all the statements, easily. And after it it will be processing one more step to just check out. You have to click on next, you have to not check it, and you have installation, you can find it easily completed. So you have to click on exit, and here you can see display image display is created by Canon, and which is looking good, and it can be removed also, and you can easily remove this by clicking the arrows on if you want to do this, so you can do this. And after it you can see the devices and printer in your computer. After installing our driver in our computer, we can easily put out the USB cable in our computer, and just like this you have to put the USB cable in the USB drive in the laptop or computers. I have a laptop, so I'm using it, and it can be easily connected. And after it you have to put out the page in the page margin, and after it you have to select one page to print out. Just print out. I am printing out just the JE mains paper. First of all, we have to select the printer. It is automatically selected while we are installing a driver, and you have to just I have to just print one page only, and I'm first of all showing a black and white paper, black and white photo printers, and you have to print on next only, and you will find the printing will be started automatically, and the printing will be started. And see the quality, and very good quality it is given, and it is very less amount it is taking out, and see the inks are very well distributed. After it we can see the color printer also. So let me select the color ones, and after the coloring, and we can select on the start printing, it will be started. And you can see the color printer also is very good, so that all over is very good. You can buy it from Amazon only of 2500 or less than 2500. You can compare. And thanks for watching this unboxing and setup.